Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Let's understand about the best source of the coenzyme Q10. How to consume the coenzyme Q10 for increase the ATP production in the mitochondria aerobically. Because the coenzyme Q10 is very important for the electron transport chain, aerobic respiration, for the function of the complex 1 and 2 in the mitochondrial electron transport chain. But anyhow, it is important for the production of ATP. In this way, the lactic acid fermentation decrease, while the fatigue will decrease, tiredness will be decreased, while you will get the more endurance, stamina, and the growth of your body. Even the everything, basically the antioxidation process, oxidative stress reduce. Anyhow, let's understand about that this through the notes. So basically, we will understand through the notes. So anyhow, the food source is the meat, especially contain liver, kidney and heart, which that should be a beef and chicken. The fish and seafood like the salmon, mackerel and sardines, which that is important for the boosting of the coenzyme Q10. So in this the best source of the coenzyme Q10 is the fish and seafood, while also the meat and the vegetables called basically vegetable is the green vegetable, which that spinach and broccoli, which that is important for providing the coenzyme Q10 for production of more ATP. So important to note that the spinach is very cheaper, and while you can get the health benefit. Also iron. Fruit can be oranges, grapes and avocados. We will discuss in the next video about the orange and the health benefit of the orange. But anyhow, you should understand that things. Basically, the fruit basically contain oranges, grapes, and avocados. Basically, the avocado is very important for providing the potassium, calcium, magnesium, as well as the coenzyme Q10, but also iron and a lot more polyphenol compound, which that is anti-aging. So, avocado basically everything. So in this, if you have health issue, use the avocado for clear the all things. The richest food source is basically what is the richest food source. So richest food source per 100 gram. So in this the heart, beef heart, which that contain 12.6 milligram coenzyme Q10 per 100 gram. So that is a lot more. So in this way, on the other hand, the liver, chicken liver basically, which that contain 11.8 milligram, but sardines, which that 10.4 milligram. So I am preferring the heart of the beef. So anyhow, the spinach basically contain 8.1 milligram, so less than the others. But anyhow, this is basically, it is good if you are vegetarian, so that is why. But anyhow, the supplementation, let's understand about that. The ubiquinone, basically the coenzyme Q10, and the ubiquinol, which that is reduced form, while the ubiquinone is the active form. So anyhow, this is a coenzyme Q10 plus vitamin E and C, which that get the more and more benefit, because the vitamin E and vitamin C is very important work with the coenzyme Q10 for antioxidation process. Or magnesium and the selenium combination is also important as a mineral for the supplementation. So anyhow, with the coenzyme Q10 as a supplementation, like the ubiquinone and the ubiquinol, basically both are equal, remember that thing. But thing is that the reduced form, while the oxidized are active form. So basically, let's understand about the recommended daily intake is the 30 to 100 milligram per day for general health person, for general health. But important thing is that for a lower age person, like the 20 age, less than the 20 and less than the 30, even 20 to 30, so they have a lot more coenzyme Q10, but the working of the coenzyme Q10 is not more, because basically storage of the coenzyme Q10 is more for the less age person, while whenever you will aged, so whenever you will going to the aging, so in this way you should require more and more coenzyme Q10. So in this way, the 100 to 200 milligram per day is for heart health if you have heart issue, while the 200 to 400 milligram per day will lead to cancer prevention if you have chance to get the cancer, if you have family history. So anyhow, basically important thing you should need to understand, the supplementation like the ubiquinone or the ubiquinol, both are same form, but the reduced form and the active form. Anyhow, and the coenzyme CoQ10 basically contain if the vitamin E and C, so the health benefit will increase. Or the magnesium and the selenium combination, which that also improve the working of the coenzyme CoQ10. And the recommended daily intake is, you can see in this picture. So I hope you make sense about the coenzyme CoQ10 best source. So how to consume and how to boost. Basically, obviously, it will be boost your coenzyme CoQ10, will lead to decrease the muscle fatigue and everything. So I hope you make sense about that. If you interested to watch the more video about the coenzyme CoQ10, so I have a lot more videos, you can watch that. So for this one, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. For this one, bye. Allah Hafiz.